Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to change page size in MS Word 2013. First open Microsoft Word document 2013. Go to page layout menu. Then click size. See this, there are many page size. First letter, tabloid, legal, executive, A3, A4, B4, B5. A4 is a standard page size. When we are working in MS Word document, 98% people used A4 page size. A4 is the international page size. It's used internationally. A3 page size is 11.69 inch wide and 16.54 inch height. You can change page size easily. Go to more page size. You can see there have a custom size. Select this and you can change width and height. And when you use custom size, there have 22 inch is height maximum. You can't use more than 22 inch. So click OK. There have a dialog box. One or more margins are set outside the printable area of this page. Choose the fix button or increase the appropriate margins. So we are ignore this. You can see this is our custom page size, long, height and width. So you can easily change page size. Go to page layout option, then click size, then change your page size. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.